I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Lexus IS250 Fender. First, gather your essential tools, including a ratchet, a 10mm socket, and a plastic trim removal tool. A well-lit, spacious work area is crucial for safety and ease. Having a friend to help support the fender as you detach, it can also make the job much smoother and prevent accidental damage. Let's get started with the first steps. Next, we'll focus on removing the various fasteners. Start by locating and unscrewing the bolts along the top edge of the fender, usually 10mm. Then, move to the bolts connecting the fender to the front bumper and the door jamb area. Don't forget to carefully remove the plastic clips holding the fender liner in place, often requiring a trim removal tool. Take your time to ensure all fasteners are found and removed. With all the fasteners removed, it's time to carefully detach the fender. Gently pull the fender away from the vehicle, starting from the top and working your way down. Be extremely cautious of any electrical wiring or other components that might still be connected, such as side marker lights. If present, disconnect them before fully removing the fender. Once free, place the fender in a safe, padded area to avoid any scratches or dents. Finally, before installing a new or repaired fender, take a moment for some final checks. Inspect the mounting points on the vehicle for any rust, dirt, or damage that might affect the new fender's fit. Clean the entire area thoroughly to ensure a smooth installation. You might also consider applying a rust preventative to any exposed metal surfaces to protect against future corrosion. This careful preparation ensures a professional finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.